ụdị anyị bụ onye anyị bụ.
From the land of our fathers to the heart of Manchester, we gather once again to celebrate our heritage, our people, and the beautiful spirit of Igbo culture.
Iriji, Iriji, Iriji.
Our culture, our heritage, our pride. Experience the masquerades, the music, the cultural dances, authentic food, fashion, family fun, and unforgettable moments. Manchester, are you ready? Manchester
Ndị Igbo Iriji
Festival 2026, Saturday, 5th September, Platfield Park, Manchester, 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. Free entry. Register now using the link on your screen. Don't miss it.